Hello students, today we are going to start chapter number 4th of Geography, class 7. Chapter name is Land. As you know, the land is the solid part of the earth and it is also a natural resource. So we are starting this chapter and the first important topic is different types of land. There are some types of land. The first type is forest land. The area of land covered with dense vegetation, tall trees and some natural water sources are called forest land. This means this is the area of land covered with trees and plants, other types of trees and reserved for the growth of forest. Man-made animal reserve and prohibited areas of jungle also fall in this category. Now second type is agriculture land. Land on which crops of various kinds are grown for local consumption or for the larger market is called the agricultural land. That means this type of land can be used by major two forms of life like animal rearing, production of crops and to produce food for animals. So this land can be say both farmland and cropland. Now third part is barren land. Barren means unfertile. This land is unfit for most kinds of plant growth, cannot be used for agriculture purposes, is called barren land. For example, mountain peaks, marshes, etc. This means barren land is so poor type of soil, so any plants cannot grow in it. Some examples, mountain peak, marshes and other are deserts, sand dunes, beaches, etc. Now next type of land is agricultural wasteland. This land is a barren land that can be converted for agriculture use are called agriculture wasteland. This means in this type of land, unfertile land can be changed into fertile land and for growing crops. Now next type of land is grazing land. This type of land a field covered with grass and suitable for cattle, sheep and other animals etc. to graze on it. This means grazing land. The next part is orchard land. Orchard. The land on which fruit trees are grown for commercial purposes are called orchard land. Means an orchard is an area of land on which fruits, trees are grown for selling or marketing commercial purposes. Like next part is garden land. Land marked by with boundary walls within cities that are planted with grass in the middle and with trees and flowering bushes around it are called garden land. This means this land is an area usually planted with grass, trees, flower beds and other plants etc. Now next land is fallow land. These are land on which crop rotation is practiced by the farmers. Means fallow land is not planted with any crop in order to improve the quality of the soil for some time. After some time this land can be grown. Now next part is old fallow land. This land is left vacant for 5 years or more by farmer to restore its fertility for the next crop. This kind of land is unfit for cultivation, so left for no longer use to restore its fertility.